Hello, hello, can you hear me? Class 10 state Cbse, Icse, and even PUC1 students who want to improve their trigonometry. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಇಷ್ಟ ದೇವತೆಗೆ ಗುರು ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಇಂದಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸಗಳನ್ನು ಏಕಾಗ್ರಚಿತ್ತದಿಂದ ಶಾಂತ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು, ಕಲಿತ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕದಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು, ಜ್ಞಾಪಕದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯುವ ಬುದ್ಧಿಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು ಇಷ್ಟ ದೇವತೆಗೆ ಗುರು ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ ಕುಲದೇವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ. ಟೇಕ್ ಡೀಪ್ ಬ್ರೆತ್ಸ್. Yes, good evening, my dear students. Welcome you all to the Lokji live stream classes technically powered by Vedims app. I hope all of you downloaded Vedims app, started learning mind maths in the app. And even in the YouTube channel, you can go to Vedims and I have discussed some shortcut tricks required for competitive exams. They will be helpful. Welcome, Sridhar. Welcome. Okay, let us start today level 2 questions on trigonometry identities, trigonometric identities. I'll take some next level questions, trigonometric identities. Level 2 questions generally asked in Cbse. Okay, class 10 students can join this live stream of all the stream, state, Cbse, Icse, all of you are going to PUC1 science, many of you are taking science. There, this basic understanding of trigonometry, skills of used in trigonometry are going to help you, support you to improve your mathematics. And let us continue with level 2 questions. Few more level 2 questions today. They need some skills to solve the problems. You take this one. First question. If A cos theta plus B sin theta is equal to M, A sin theta minus B cos theta is equal to N, then take the problem, prove that A square plus B square is equal to M square plus N square. Today we will see few difficult questions, level 2 questions, and such questions appear in Cbse level, Icse level. See, hint to solve this problem is start from RHS. The hint to solve this problem, then use A plus B, square them, RHS, use A plus B whole square and A minus B whole square formula. This much hint I can give to start with. You can start solving the problem using this hint. We'll start with RHS. RHS of the to be proved is M square plus N square. What is M? You substitute. What is M is A cos theta plus B sin theta whole square. If you get any doubts, you can ask me the comment box. Take the problem. Today we are solving next level questions, level 2 questions, tough questions. Plus, they are not tough but require some skills. A sin theta minus B cos theta whole square. Now you expand it by using A plus B whole square. What is A plus B whole square is? A square, you remember, plus B square plus 2AB, and A minus B whole square is A square plus B square minus 2AB. Even state level students practice them, because once you go to PUC1 science, after 2 years you have tried competitive exams, there such tricks, skills are required. They will give you depth in trigonometry. Even state students and Cbse students, appeared question it is. The Cbse paper, it is appeared question. I am collecting appeared questions in the exam. Now expand it. A square means in the place of A you have A cos theta. In the place of B you have B sin theta. In the place of A you have A sin theta. In the place of B you have A minus B whole square, A plus B whole square. Expand it. A cos theta square will be A square cos square theta. Directly write square of them. Plus B sin theta will be B square sin square theta. Plus 2AB, A into B cos theta into sin theta, or even you can write it as sin theta into cos theta. Okay. Next, we will take a next one. Plus A minus B whole square. Let us again write A square sin square theta plus B square cos square theta. Observe, cos square theta minus, observe, 2AB sin theta into cos theta. Now you expanded the first step, the hint you have used. Now observe, are there any terms which get cancelled? It's a very simple question and just 2 marks question, you can easily solve it. But 2AB plus 2AB sin theta into cos theta minus 2AB sin theta into cos theta cancels. Now you have to carefully observe. You know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Observe, are there any common terms here? You can observe this one. A square cos square theta. Observe where I am marking. A square cos square theta, B square cos square theta. In them, if you take cos square theta common, and here you can observe A square sin square theta, or even you can do these two, A square cos square theta, A square sin square theta. You group them, rearranging. Anyway, you can rearrange it. Rearranging. Very simple question. Rearranging. You can write these two together. That is, in one bracket I will write A square cos square theta plus A square sin square theta. Anyway, you can write plus, you can take B square sin square theta, A square sin square theta, or even you can take B square sin square theta, B square sin square theta plus B square cos square theta. I think you got the point. Very easy question. If you take A square common in it, what you are left with? Cos square theta plus sin square theta. In the second one, if you take a B square common, what you are left with? Plus, if you take a B square common, what you are left with? Sin square theta plus what? Cos square theta. Use identity. Cos square theta plus sin square theta becomes 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta becomes 1. You can write it as A square into 1 plus B square into 1. You are getting A square plus B square, which is left hand side of the equation. Hence proved. Very simple question. Hence proved. If you have got any doubts, you can clarify. All of you got it? Good evening. Sanvi Kulkarni, Satvik, hello, all of you. Invite more students, more friends to join live stream so that all stream, state, Cbse, Icse, you call your friends to join the live stream, and I will see to it that it is very interesting, prepares you smoothly. Trigonometric identities. We are almost in the last period now. After this, I will take a test, one multiple choice question test, one subjective test I will take. I will send you in the WhatsApp group. Join the WhatsApp group. Only those students will get the test who join the WhatsApp group. Any doubts in this? Let me take another problem now. Another problem. Slightly tricky questions. Try this one. Second one today. If it is also appeared in the Cbse, a cos theta minus b sin theta, a cos theta minus b sin theta is equal to c. Prove that a sin theta plus b cos theta plus b cos theta is equal to plus or minus root of a square plus b square minus c square. I hope you noted this problem. Try this one. This one also appeared in Cbse previous year question papers. Try this one. I will give the hint. I will give the hint in the hint box. The hint is square the given, square it, then we'll continue. Let us take the solution of it till you get the result. Given that whatever given here, you can solve it in different ways. And easiest way is this: a cos theta minus b sin theta is equal to c, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. On both sides. If you square it on both sides, good evening, Sanvi, Satvik. Hello. Squaring on both sides. Those who are watching or viewing randomly, don't do that. Join the WhatsApp group, because I will start sending you the papers. Test will begin now. Squaring on both sides. On the app also. On both sides. Squaring on both sides. What do you get is, let me write here, a cos theta minus b sin theta the whole square is equal to c square. Now expand it. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. Just now in the previous problem we studied. It is a square plus b square minus 2ab. What is a square is? A square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta minus 2ab sin theta into cos theta is equal to c square. Observe now. But we want in the RHS, what is to be proved? You want sin theta with A, cos theta with B. Now what you have here? With A, there is cos square theta. With B, there is sin square theta. Do you have any identities? This is observation. What is to be proved? That you should keep it in your mind and then proceed. Now, can you express cos square theta in terms of sin square theta? That is a square into bracket. Cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta plus b square. Intention is In the TPT, to prove that sin theta, A is with sin theta. Now here A is with cos theta. I want A with sin theta. Therefore, I expressed cos square theta in terms of 1 minus sin square theta. Sin square theta in terms of 1 minus cos square theta. Understandable even for state students. Minus 2AB sin theta into cos theta. Is everything visible, audible? If you have got any problems, you can tell me. Minus 2AB sin theta into cos theta is equal to c square. 10th state students, Cbse, all of you are going to the PUC1, you are writing competitive exams. So there your skills in trigonometry must be very deep. In the 10th standard only, if you go in depth of all varieties of questions I will solve. Even I will give you multiple choice questions of higher level. You practice them. Remove the bracket. A square into 1 is A square. Plus into minus is minus A square sin square theta. Therefore, I combined all of you. Those who are going to PUC1 science. For them, trigonometry is very important. I am teaching for PUC1, PUC2 also. Any of your, I will be sending you the time in my status also. Plus into minus is minus b square cos square theta. Then you can write minus 2ab sin theta into cos theta is equal to c square. I hope you understood. Okay. Now what we will do is, we will do one thing. We will keep a square here plus b square here, c square. I will bring these all independent a square, b square, c square. I will take it on one side, left side. These minus all negative terms I will take to the right hand side. What do you get now? Let me rub this point. I hope you understood squaring on both sides. Now what I do is, I will take a square plus b square. Take that c square to the left, becomes minus c square is equal to, I will take this minus a square sin square theta, when crosses the equality sign becomes a plus. Understandable. A square sin square theta minus b square cos square theta comes to the right, becomes b square cos square theta minus 2ab sin theta into cos theta comes to the right, becomes plus 2ab sin theta into cos theta. Now what you get is a square plus b square minus c square. Can you observe that this is the expansion of a sin theta square, means a square, plus b cos theta square plus 2ab, or you can take 2 times a sin theta into b cos theta. It is the expansion of which formula? Is it not in the form of a square plus b square 2 times a into b? It is nothing but perfect square of a square plus b square minus c square identity, that is a sin theta plus b cos theta the whole square. Are you getting me? Now you take square root on both sides, you will get the answer asked to you. Taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. Both sides. What do you get here? You will get here a sin theta plus b cos theta is equal to a sin theta plus b cos theta. I am writing RHS first, is equal to plus or minus root of, because a square root will have two values, plus and minus, a square plus b square minus c square. Hence proved. I hope all of you understood. If you have got any doubts, you can ask me in the chat box. Exactly. Exactly. Good evening. Namaste. Notary, if you have got any doubts, you can clarify. First, what we did is we just expanded it to get, I will repeat, a square cos square theta, b square sin square theta minus 2ab sin theta into cos theta. But what is the observation many students don't make is, in the to be proved, sin theta is with a, therefore I am writing cos square theta as 1 minus sin square theta, sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta. That's all. The problem will be solved. That is the trick. Here is the trick. A square minus a square sin square theta plus b square plus into minus b square cos square theta. Then you have minus 2ab sin theta cos theta is equal to c square. I am taking independent terms a square and b square and c square on left side. Now you get a square plus b square plus c square. When crosses the equality sign, transpose becomes minus c square. Take all of them to the right. Minus a square becomes, when crosses the equality sign, becomes plus a square sin square theta. Minus b square sin square theta, when comes to the right hand side, becomes b square cos square theta. Minus 2ab sin theta into cos theta becomes plus 2ab sin theta into cos theta. Now observe interesting thing. It is nothing but expansion of a sin theta square, b cos theta square, 2 times ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab is a plus b whole square. That's all. You got a sin theta plus b cos theta is equal to plus or minus root of a square plus b square minus c square. Any doubts in this? No doubts. Clear? I hope all of you understood the problem. I repeated second time, and today we are solving level 2 questions on trigonometric identities. Today is the last period. Next period I will solve few questions on complementary angles. Complementary angles is there for Icse students, and that is required for next year also. Learn them. Just one period I will take and finish it. Trigonometry main chapter will be completed, then we will go for applications. Take this problem. Number 3. If tan theta plus sin theta is equal to m, tan theta minus sin theta is equal to n, find m square minus n square value is equal to question mark. M square plus n square. I have to find out the values. M square minus n square. Now the hint box. I'll give you some ideas in the hint box. You know that what is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. What do you get here? Whenever you get a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, if you expand it, you will get a square. Time saving results you write down. They will save your time. A square plus b square plus 2ab plus a square plus b square minus 2ab. Observe, plus 2ab minus 2ab cancels. Now you get a plus b whole square. Remember this as identity. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square becomes a square plus a square becomes what? 2a square. B square plus b square becomes what? 2b square. If you take 2 common, you will get 2 times a square plus b square. Remember this identity. That is going to help you to solve such questions. Studied in a school level. 8th standard, 9th standard, you studied identities, and these are shortcuts, time saving results. Similarly, if you take a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, now try to get expansion of it. That is equal to, you have a square plus b square plus 2ab minus, use the bracket properly, a square plus b square minus 2ab. I hope you are getting me. That reduces lot of your burden. A square plus B square plus 2AB. Remove the bracket. Minus into plus is minus A square. Minus into plus is minus B square. Minus into minus is plus 2AB. Observe now. Plus B square minus B square cancels. A square cancels. Right? What is A plus B whole square? A minus B whole square will be 2AB plus 2AB becomes what? 4AB. Very useful, very important identity. Remember these two, A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square. Henceforth you can write it as 2 into bracket A square plus B square. This is very useful identity. And even A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square becomes 4AB. So these identities are going to help you speed your calculations, particularly in the competitive exams. Now you are asked to take given expression GE. GE stands for given expression m square minus n square. What is m here? M is tan theta plus sin theta the whole square minus tan theta, right, minus sin theta the whole square. Observe here, this is equal to, is it not in the form of, this is A, observe, this is A, this is B, this is A, this is B, isn't it? Is it not A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square? What is A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square is 4AB. Using, you can say, even if your examiner doubts you, A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square is equal to 4AB. Now, time management is very important. Time management is very important. To save time, such identities will support you. I am not using any new thing. Same thing, 4AB, that is equal to, many students write it as tan square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 tan theta sin theta, becomes very, very lengthy. See the shortcut tricks. They are helpful in a TSR, time saving results. In the exam, you can save time. IIT students will do like this, 4AB, competitive exams. That is 4AB, 4 into, what is A here? Tan theta. And what is B here? Sin theta. Can you further simplify this? Sin theta upon cos theta, nothing changes. Therefore, you can write this expression as a simplified form as 4 tan theta into sin theta. Here you can write it as sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta upon cos theta. It will not change. Right. This is correct answer. You are not asked to prove this, just you are asked to write the solution. Using identities you studied in the 9th standard. That is the important trick here. I will make you to use identities in an intelligent way. Apply them into trigonometry. Have you got it? In one step you can finish it. And many students, I know, school students, those who are not efficient, do not use this formula. Note down them as the time saving results. And in the exam you write using A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square is equal to 4AB. And now sir, therefore I applied it. Why they can't give the marks? They will definitely give the marks. Use the skill. This is called as skill based questions, level 2. And even appreciate it. Your teachers will appreciate it if you use this. Take the 4th question. Prove that 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta the whole square is equal to 2 into bracket 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. You are asked to prove this. Now there are 3 terms here. You studied in the 9th standard. The identity, you remember, hint, I will give in the hint box. The hint is, you know, A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A plus B plus C whole square is equal to, you studied in the 9th standard. It is A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2bc plus 2ca. Right? You can take the LHS here. 1 becomes a. What is a in this case? Here. Take a left hand side. Start now. 1 minus sine theta, or you can write 1 plus into bracket minus sine theta plus cos theta, okay, the whole square. Here you can compare it. What is a in this case? 1. What is b in this case? Minus sine theta. What is c in this case? Cos theta. Remember only this formula. Write it in the form of a plus. You can write minus sine theta in the bracket. Plus into minus is minus. A plus b plus c whole square. Using directly you write a plus b plus c whole square formula. You mention so that your teachers will understand it. Now you can write what is a square is. Take what is a square is 1 square plus b square is minus sine theta square plus c square is cos theta square. Next 2 times a into b. Carefully write 1 into minus sine theta a into b plus 2 times b into c. What is b is minus sine theta into cos theta. Be careful about sign. These questions are very tricky questions. Silly mistake if you do, you will not get the RHS. Sine theta into cos theta plus 2ca 2 times what is c is cos theta and a is 1. Now you can continue. Few more steps I will join you. I have given you hint. I have started it. You continue and try to get the result. Don't look at the board. Take your look at in your notebook. Don't see the board. I'll be solving this. You don't see the board. Oh. Don't look at the board. Solve on your own. Those who completed the RHS, show the thumbs up. Don't look at the board. Show thumbs up how many of you finished it. Don't watch it like a video. A plus b plus c whole square is not a square plus b square plus c square. Only remember one formula, just you change the sign of it. Don't remember too many formulae. Only one formula remember, just change the sign of it. Now, see, we'll start now. 1 square, verify your answer. Those who finished it, show the thumbs up. Otherwise, study here. Minus sine theta square. Any negative number squared, you get sine square theta. Plus cos square theta. Plus into minus, minus 2 sine theta. Here also, plus into minus, minus 2 sine theta into cos theta. Plus 2 cos theta. I hope you understood this step. Observe here, what is sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. I have written here as 1. Then you are left with minus 2 sine theta, minus 2 sine theta into cos theta plus 2 cos theta. Now 1 plus 1 becomes 2, then becomes 2 minus 2 sine theta minus 2 sine theta into cos theta plus 2 cos theta. Observe, everywhere 2 is common. I will take all 2 outside. You are left with 1 minus sine theta minus sine theta into cos theta plus cos theta. I will put this 1 minus sine theta because one of the factors on the RHS is 1 minus sine theta is there. Idan noಡ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. You must observe this. 1 minus sine theta is here. Now I will take a plus cos theta common in this. I will take this plus cos theta common here. When you take a plus cos theta common, you are left with 1 here. If cos theta comes outside, you are left with minus sine theta. Observe these two, 1 minus sine theta and these two. What is common in these two terms? 1 minus sine theta is common. Here 1 minus sine theta goes, you will get 1. When you take 1 minus sine theta outside, you will get plus cos theta. Hence RHS. 2 into bracket 1 minus sine theta, 1 plus cos theta is equal to RHS. Hence the proof of it. 2 into 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus sine theta. Use of trigonometric algebraic identities. I hope the board is clear to you. A square plus Aditya, a square plus b square minus c square. No, wrong. Use correct identities. This identity is studied in 9th standard. And use the same identities in trigonometry to get the problem solved. To get the problem solved. Clarify the doubts. Is that clear? All of you noted the answer? Such questions will appear in a Cbse, Icse standard level questions. Use of the same identities in an intelligent way and taking common and all. Therefore, I told you trigonometry is complete package of arithmetic, algebra, geometry. You studied in 8th, 9th school level and 10th standard also. I hope all of you understood. I'll complete identities today. I have to take another 1 period for complementary angles. Very important. Complementary angles. On that you will get problems. Very, very important complementary angles. On that I will take 1 session and complete it. Take the next question. The question is like this. Yesterday we saw similar type of the question. I think a 6th one. Prove that cot A appears in all state Cbse plus cosec A minus 1 divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1 is equal to 1 plus cos A NCRT upon sin A. Try this. Already we solved in the previous class a problem of this type. Now again I will give the hint box. Those students who solve only after giving hint are A grade students, and those students who learn after solving are B grade students. Those students who do not understand even after giving solution are C grade students. If you want to become A grade students, you have to take hint, like already we solved. Express only numerator 1 as cosec square theta, cosec square A minus cot square A, because you know that 1 cosec square A minus cot square A can be written as 1. Only numerator, don't touch. Another hint is retain denominator as it is. Don't do this mistake. Retain denominator as it is. This is the hint to solve this problem. Otherwise, you never get to the right hand side. You will be caught, you will be in a loop. Very dangerous problem. Remember, one problem I solved already. Let me take the LHS of it, so that I can rub this part. Cot A plus cosec A. In the exam, you write question properly as it is printed in the question paper. Will appear for 3 marks or 4 marks. Cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Don't touch denominator. Clear? Let me rub this part. We have to arrive at 1 plus cos A. I will write here 1 plus cos A upon sin A. All of you noted the question. Note down the hint. Okay, using hint you can solve the problem and improve slowly. All of a sudden your skills will not be improved. Practice more problems. Okay, then you will be perfect in it. Let me start with the hint. This one I will write it as even appeared in state Cbse, even in Icse also. One can be written as cosec square A. Many students do mistake. Only way of solving this is this. Write one as cosec square A minus cot square A. Divided by retain a denominator untouchable. Don't touch it at all throughout. Just carry it. This is the first important trick. Now, you can make a group of it. What is here? A square minus b square. How do you write it as? A plus b, a minus b. Let me write cot A plus cosec A as in the order cosec A plus cot A. Is there any mistake in it? 2 plus 3 can be written as 3 plus 2. What this property is called as? Commutative property. Commutative property. Properties of addition in the Vedim's 1.1. You can, if you are feeling that you are weak in basic school mathematics, you watch the Vedim's YouTube, and some of that you want to improve yourself for competitive exams, you download Vedim's app. That is we have worked it for 1 year to improve school students from 5th to 12th standard basic maths quiz test. Time based quiz will be available. App will give you the answer and price will be just 540. Just download it. If you get any doubts, you can call me 973157 in downloading it. 1044. Save my number as Desai sir. Lokji, Lokagnan. It was my institute, offline institute. Now I converted into live stream. 9731. You call me if you cannot download between 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Don't call me other time because I will not be free. I will be in the class only. 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. you can call me. If you cannot download this app, finding difficulties in app, you can call me. And ask your friends also. Join them if you like my work here and my service here. This is my service. Even poor students who cannot pay, they can get help from it. A square minus b square. What is the formula of a square minus b square? A plus b into a plus a minus b. Cosec a plus cot a. Cosec a minus cot a. Observe carefully. Cosec a minus cot a. Cosec a, I think it is not visible to you. I will write here into cosec a minus cot a. I think it is not visible in the screen. Now check. Is it visible in the screen? Okay. Now you take common. Here cosec a plus cot a. In this expression cosec a plus cot a is common. If I take, don't carry the denominator. Don't forget Mr. Denominator. Very dangerous fellow. Cosec a cot a minus cosec a plus 1. It is very easy. Provided you use the trick I have given here. Here also cosec a plus cot a. Here also cosec a plus cot a common. I will take a cosec a plus cot a. Cosec a plus cot a common. Now you are left with cosec a plus cot a. If you remove this, you are left with 1. Minus, use the bracket properly. Many state students are very weak, even Cbse. In handling this, cosec a plus cot a comes outside. What you are left with here? You are left with cosec a minus cot a. Whole divided by, you can write it as cot a minus cosec a plus 1. Minus cosec a plus 1. Remove the bracket. What you get is cosec a plus cot a in the numerator into I will write there, remove the bracket. Minus into plus becomes minus 1 minus cosec a. Minus into minus is plus cot a. I hope you are following. Whole divided by. Observe. You have cot a minus cosec a plus 1. I will rearrange them. Plus 1 is there. I will write plus 1 first. Next, can I write minus cosec a in the denominator? Cosec a in the denominator I will write. Here I have plus cot a. This is called as rearrangement. Plus 1 I am writing first. Is there any mistake? Commutative property. Regrouping. It is called as regrouping. 1 first, then minus cosec a plus cot a. Now observe numerator and denominator. Is there any common factor? Common factor is in the numerator 1 minus cosec a plus cot a. 1 minus cosec a plus cot a gets cancelled. Now you are in the last step. Cosec a plus cot a. If you do not understand, rewind it, again see it. If you don't understand, some students will be slow learners. You can repeatedly watch it. Therefore, I am doing the work on the live stream so that you will not miss a single topic, single concept. Now, our RHS is in the form of sine and cos. Express cosec a in terms of sine, which is 1 upon sine a. Express cot a in terms of sine, you will get cos a upon sine a. What is LCM? LCM is sine a. You will get sine a into 1, sine a into 1, you will get 1 plus cos a. That is equal to right hand side of the equation, hence proved. Even in Cbse and state the question appeared. It is a very important question for exam, will appear for 3 marks. It is a 3 marks question. Take this problem, mostly last problem today. I hope all of you understood. Similar type of the problems we solved in the previous class, which was in tan and cot. Sorry, tan and sec. Now it is in cosec and cot. There we used sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Here you are using cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Last problem today, 7th one, prove that sin theta upon cot theta plus cosec theta minus sin theta divided by cot theta minus cosec theta is equal to 2. Take 1 or 2 minutes. Take LHS. What is LHS is sin theta upon, the hint is very simple, take LCM, common arithmetic. Sin theta upon cot theta plus cosec theta minus sin theta divided by cot theta minus cosec theta. You can observe that in both the numerator what is common. Carefully observe every step, you must think. Sin theta is common, therefore you take sin theta common, put everything in a flower bracket or even square bracket. Can use flower bracket. You are left with what? 1 upon cot theta plus cosec theta. Got it? Minus 1 upon cot theta minus cosec theta. You can solve the problem in alternative ways. You will get full marks. You can use any methods. For one identity, different students will solve in different way, but final answer, if it is 2 and if your approach is correct, you will get full marks. Now you can take LCM. I will continue now. Take LCM. Sin theta into bracket. What is LCM here? LCM is cot theta plus cosec theta. Cot theta plus cosec theta into cot theta minus cosec theta. More your practice is, more skills will be developed. LCM, to get it cot theta plus cosec theta, you have to multiply the first to get LCM. Like you do in the arithmetic, one fraction addition and subtraction, LCM. Plus idre cot theta minus cosec theta is to be multiplied. Then here you are to multiply cot theta minus cosec theta. Now we will get in the numerator cot theta minus cosec theta. Cot theta minus cosec theta. You have minus sign here. Remove the bracket. Minus into plus becomes minus cot theta. Minus to minus becomes plus cosec theta. Sorry, cosec theta minus cos theta is here. You have to multiply with cosec theta plus cot theta. Okay, minus into plus is minus cot theta. Minus into plus is minus cosec theta. Check. If you have got any doubts, you can clarify. Ask in the comment box. Ask in the comment box. Thank you for your comment. Now you can observe which one cancels. Plus cot theta minus cot theta cancels. Now you can get here sin theta into bracket minus cosec theta minus cosec theta. Observe, whenever sin is same, don't cancel it. Many state students have got variety of difficulties. I am surprised and worried. So they don't know even what to do whenever both of them are same sign. See, opposite sign gets cancelled. Same sign should be added. Minus minus should be added. They will multiply. Don't do such errors. Many students do it state level. I am worried about them. There are many weak students, so weak that they do minus into minus. Here there is addition. Try to understand the mistakes. Minus 2 cosec theta. Then you say, oh sir, in a tension I did it. What is the tension to you? Be cool. Have deep breathing exercise. Tensions will be clear. A plus B into A minus B. What do you get? A square minus B square. What do you get here? Cot square theta minus cosec square theta. Very interesting. Very interesting problem. It is not a tough problem. Now I know the identity. What is the identity you know? What is the identity you know? I will write the identity in the box. The identity is cosec square theta minus cot square theta will be equal to what? 1. Just now we used it. Now denominator is ready. By doing what you can get it? If I take a minus common in it, observe. If I take a minus common in it, here, what do you get? Take a minus common in it. Observe, remember, if I take a minus b is there, okay? If you take a minus common in it, what it happens is, they will be reversed. Minus b minus a. Observe, minus into plus becomes minus b, minus into minus becomes plus a. Remember this trick, the trick I am telling you. So this trick will be missing. Means the trick is whatever it may be. A minus B, if you take minus common, it becomes what? B minus A. Remember this trick. Now I am using it. I will take this sin theta to the numerator. What I get is minus 2 sin theta into cosec theta. I will multiply this sin theta to the 2 cosec theta. Divided by, you take a minus sign outside. Whenever I take minus sign outside, A minus B becomes what? B minus A. This is A minus B. They will be reversed. You will get what? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta. I hope you are getting the idea. Observe what is minus upon minus is. Many students don't know this. Remember, plus upon plus is. What is plus upon plus? Plus upon plus is equal to plus. Plus upon minus will be minus. Minus upon plus will be minus. Minus upon minus will be plus. Remember, here you have minus upon minus. Therefore, you get what? Plus. What is sin theta into cosec theta? Reciprocal relation. 2 into 1 divided by, already minus upon minus became plus. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. Hence you got 2. That is RHS. If you enjoyed, I hope you enjoyed the solution. Okay. Such questions, if you attempt at the 10th level, you can play PUC1, PUC2, trigonometry, calculus like football. Therefore, I am giving you deeper problems. That's all, my dear students. This one what I wanted to tell you. In this last topic will be, I will solve some complementary angles. Then I will take a test, one subjective test, and multiple choice questions I will upload in the Vedims app. Right? And if you like this channel, if you like the approach of Lokji, please ask your friends to subscribe, and not only subscribe, come to the live stream and interact here. Right? Multiple choice questions you have to answer here. I will solve some MCQ also, some standard MCQ also. They will help you for competitive exams later. Right now from 10th standard you start improving your brain capacity by using Vedim's app, Vedim's mind maths tricks. Even YouTube you can go available, only videos are available, but the quiz test you have to download the app just by paying 540, completely yours. Basic mathematics. That's all, my dear students. Sleep well, study well, go to the school regularly. If you get any tension, have some breathing techniques, deep breathing for 10 minutes. Your tensions will be clear. Our saints have discovered, Indian saints. And Indian blood has got mathematics. Don't worry. Okay. Go to the school regularly. And very important is prayer, exercise, meditation, yoga. All Indian methods are there. Of your religion, whatever your elders and family members are, say you follow the traditional way at your home. When you come outside, you become a wonderful citizen of our country, India. That's all, my dear students, for the night. We'll meet tomorrow with again chemistry. Okay. Subjects will be separated. Okay. For state and Cbse you have, we will be completing the chapter 1. And periodic properties I will be discussing at your time. Change the time between 8 to 8:45. You will have state and Cbse. 9 to 9:45. You will have Icse. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.